Hey, what's going on, everyone? I just want to take a minute to show you about this new platform Russell Brunson has called the Offerlab. The screen you're seeing right now is the homepage for Offerlab, and what it is, it's a platform where affiliate marketers can find uh, other products and offers to sell and make a commission off of. Um, Even if you are new to affiliate marketing, know nothing about affiliate marketing, looking for extra income, um, anything like that. If you're sitting at your job saying there's got to be a better way, well, there is no better way if you don't start something. So whether it's this, uh, something else, whatever the case may be, if you don't start, then there's no better way for you. So the first way to determine if there's a better way for you is to go do something. Stop saying I'll do it tomorrow. I'll do it when I get home. You gotta. You can think all day long, but you gotta put your words into action. So if you want to check this out, there's a link in my bio or down in the description, but it's there. But anyway, this is the homepage. You can see I just started, and this is what it all looks like. Here's some offers here that you can promote. So there's several things here. Let's say you have a clothing boutique or whatever. That's something you want to create on your own or whatever the case may be. You can promote these boots here. Um, Here's a description of what they are. But anyway, it's as simple as this button right here. Just promote this offer. So you can promote this and make a commission off of that. Um, Here's an ebook that someone created. There's just a bunch of things that you can promote. Here we're going inside the marketplace, and here's several other things that you can promote. I mean, it's really that simple. Let's see, right here, Little Links Kids Golf Training. So there's that. If that's something you want to do, it doesn't matter what it is, but I'm just giving you a quick look at what this is. You can promote whatever is on here. You can create your own offer if you want to create your own offer. If you have an idea but you don't know how to put it in place, um, make sure you like this video, comment on it, and follow me, and I'll reach out to you. We can at least try to get you going in the right direction if we can't create something ourselves. Um, but anyway, there's all kinds of things here. You just got to come in here and explore. It's free. It's free to join. So do make sure you check out the link in my bio or down in the description. Um, there's also uh, let's see. Here's a school. This is all of your community where everybody hangs out at. You can ask questions, post in here, whatever. There's a classroom where your trainings are. It's all kinds of trainings in here, a bunch of them. Here you can see other members. You can see where other members are in relationship to you, and things like that. So if you're looking to get started with something, affiliate marketing, you don't need your own product, but using OfferLab, you can create your own product, whether it be digital, physical, it doesn't matter. But if you would like help, I can help you with that. At least we can get some insight going, and then you can decide if it's the route you want to take or not. But it costs nothing to join OfferLab, so do check out the link in the bio and shoot me a message. And I'm not selling anything to you. Let's see if we can just get you moving in the right direction, at least further than what you were yesterday. We don't want to be in the same spot tomorrow that you're in today. So let's go ahead and get started.